Hello everyone, you are on ATSA channel. Today we are going to explore Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to change notification sound on Redmi. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Open settings. Scroll down. Select sound and vibration. Select other notifications. Select sound notification sound you need. Then apply. Tap on apply. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments, like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Wish you best. Bye bye.